students, let's continue our exercise 4.3. So now we are start question number 4. Question number 4 is the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8 for the first kilometer if anybody goes only the first kilometer 1 kilometer no? So the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. That means in increases, that means more than 1 kilometer if anybody will go, then the distance according to distance rupees 5 per kilometer. But for the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8. Taking the distance covered as x, kilometer is a variable form because we don't know how many kilometer it will be there, and the total fare is rupees y. Okay, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Okay, so basis on the question, I am taking the distance covered as x kilometer as already given in your book or question, and total fare as rupees y. So has given there for the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8. That means for the 1 kilometer, if anybody start and goes in the 1 kilometer, that means rupees 8 is equal to the fare is equal to the rupees 8. And for the subsequent distance, that means after that 1 kilometer is rupees 5 per kilometer. So which type of we will make the equation here? So actually the total distance covered is equal to x, but for the first kilometer that means we already give the fare is rupees 8, that means minus 1. Why? Because we are taking the rupees 8 as already, we have to give the rupees 8 for the first kilometer, and remaining kilometer that means x minus 1. Suppose you are going to the 10 kilometer, then for the first kilometer you have to give the rupees 8, then other than how many kilometer are left, then 10 minus 1 ना, ये रिपीट थोड़ी करेंगे, इट विल नॉट बी रिपीट द फर्स्ट किलोमीटर गिव द 8 rupees and include it at a 5, it's not. So 10 minus 1, then for the 9 kilometer rest of the rupees that means 5. So what is the equation it will make here? X minus 1, that means 1 kilometer for the first kilometer, that fare is added here. X minus 1 into 5, because 5 एज पर किलोमीटर है ना, सब्सिक्वेंट मतलब बची हुई कितनी डिस्टेंस बाकी जितना था, ओके, इज इक्वल टू वाई. नाउ वी सॉल्व इट. 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय द एक्स माइनस 1, सो वी विल गेट 5x minus 5 plus 8 is equal to y. So y, that means total fare first kilometer, and other than subsequent distance, then we add the fare, then we will get the total fare. Okay, now 5x minus y plus 3, we transpose this y here, is equal to 0. So this is the equation we will make according to situation the given here. Okay, so after making the equation, write a linear equation for the given statement. We have to draw its graph, and we know that for need to draw the graph we need to some solution for the given equation. Okay, so I am taking some solution here, that I think you very well known that which type of we are taking the solution. So solution I am taking here, the value of x is equal to 1, then we will get the value of y is 8. For the minus 1 I will get the value of minus 2. That means when I put the value x is equal to minus 1, then I am taking here minus 2. Okay, and 0, that means 3. So these are the solutions. So basis of this solution of the given equation I am going to draw the graph. Okay, 1 8 minus 1 minus 2 0 and 3. 1 8, value of 1 and this one is 8, so 1 8 minus 1 minus 2, so minus 1 and minus 2. Is it minus 1 value of x and minus 2, so minus 1 minus 1 and minus 2. 0 3, 0, that means value of x is 0 and this is the 3. Okay, now I am going to join these point, so it will make a line or a graph for the given linear equation. What is our linear equation? 5x minus y plus 3. 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Is it? Okay, now student, let's come to the question number 5. From the choices given below, choose the equation whose graph are given in figure 4.6 and figure 4.7. The four options are there. Okay, so graph have already given to you and options for there, that means different equation has given and you will choose that, then for which equation the graph we will take it of this type of. Okay, so here is the first equation is y is equal to x, that means same as both the variables values are same for the given equation y is equal to x. Now we look at the point of the graph 0 and 0, it's okay, the y and x values are okay, but for the -1 and 1, that means the value of x is 1 and sorry -1 and value of y is 1. So this solution is not satisfy the equation number 1. Let's see the second option, x plus y is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 0, and whenever we solve it, that means the little bit, then x, then transpose the value of y, that means minus y. X is equal to minus y. That means one value is positive and one is negative. Now again look at the graph, 0 and 0, it's okay. The value of 0 and -0 both are same. And here if x is equal to -1, then y is equal to 1, because we taking x is equal to -1. So if the value of x is 1, so value of minus y is equal to what is it? Minus y. That means it transpose here. If x is equal to 1, we take it. So y is equal to -1. So this is the satisfied. Now we check the third solution is here 1 and -1. The same as if I am taking the value of x is equal to 1, then we will get at the -1. I am taking actually the third one is first, the second one. Now the -1 and 1. So value of x is equal to -1 for the solution of x plus y is equal to 0. So -1 plus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1. That means our second option is true for the given graph. Okay. So the same as a homework, you will solve the question number 2 and the given option you will choose it which one of the equation the graph has given for you. Okay beta.